I found these things on AliExpress, which look like an interesting way to add a little carrying capacity to your top box. Let's check them out. Guess they're pretty strong, I hope. Should be strong enough once they're mounted. We're going to mount on four places. They should be pretty strong, or definitely strong enough to hold some not too heavy stuff. These are going to drill through the sides of the aluminium, screw onto this, which is pretty simple. I might be chucking some washers on those. Anyway, let's get into the installation. Okay, so installing is a pretty simple process. You just have to line up the panels onto where you want them to go. Now, I usually use my double-sided tape trick, which just stick a couple of bits of double-sided tape on here. Okay, so now I've got it tacked down with some double-sided tape in the spot I want, so make sure it's pretty much dead on the middle where I want it. Kind of paranoid about things being out of line. Right, she's all lined up and ready to go, so let's just put some markers on there. Now if I didn't have this double-sided tape, this is when it would slide around a bit and get out of the line. So there we go. So these boxes have a PU leather lining inside, which you can easily just detach and pop out. Comes out like that. Well, it looks like 4.5 is not enough. We're going to have to go to 5 milli. So now we can start mounting the mounts. Simple as that. Well, as I suspected, these things are going to need some washers, which aren't supplied. So that's a bit disappointing. As with everything from China, you're always making a trip to the hardware store. So I ended up getting a whole bag of these M5 16mm washers. So all the mounts are on. Now we can just put on the main bracket. Pretty simple. Oops. And here they are, fully installed. I guess they are very handy for attaching some light items like blankets or some items you want to have quick access to, like a torch or something. And they can open up some more room in the top box or the panniers. They actually look pretty good, maybe even better with an axe attached, but unfortunately I've found a problem. So if you have top opening panniers, they might get in the way, so you should do a little bit of measuring before you decide to order these things. I'll be going on a camping trip soon and I'll probably make a video of that, so if you want to see if they're useful or not, hit the subscribe button. Till next time, ride safely and thanks for watching.